Good morning, guys. So right now I'm in a 2 hours trek which starts from Mount Xanadu. The trek which I'm doing is a Changari trek which I've already started. It's been like 5 minutes which I've already started this trek. This is an easy trek. I have to reach all the way to the top of that mountain that is called Changari Hill. Okay, and from there, and even from this side as well, you get the beautiful views of Kharapura Dam, and there is an adventure park towards the right side of that dam. If I zoom it, you will probably have some. So this is the Kharapura Dam, and towards the right side there are some zip lining activities and adventure park. So I have to follow these flags, the white color flags that you can see, all the way to that flag and then to the flag at the top of that hill. So let's go get going. And right now it's morning 7 a.m. and probably I might complete this trek by 8:30 and I'll come back. There are already some guys at the top who are shouting. So this is the second flag, and I have to go towards right. There is also a rope. I think the climb to the Changari Hill is pretty steep, so that's the reason they have put up a rope over there for support during the trek. And this rock is a complete, huge, humongous, monolithic rock. यहाँ कुछ हट्स बने हुए हैं ऊपर इस तरह के. और ये रोप लगी है येलो कलर की ऊपर टॉप तक जाने के लिए. तो अभी मेरे पास प्रॉपर ट्रैकिंग शूज़ नहीं है, नॉर्मल शूज़ ही मैं लेकर के आया हूँ. बट चलो इसी शूज़ को पहन के करते हैं ये ट्रैक. ये देखो, as you can see, this trek is pretty steep and I'm just walking on the steep rock. So ऊपर जो कुछ लोग हैं, they're taking support of this yellow color rope and they're coming down and they're waving to me and show it to you. There are at least 4 or 5 guys who are coming down right now.
Don't you need rope?
No, I will take the help support of rope wherever I need, but right now I'm in a safe position.
Okay.
So this is fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
You're a bit late, bro.
I know, I'm late.
Should have watched the sunrise.
Exactly, yeah. I got a little late. I know.
It's okay, it's still got a nice view there.
Yeah, that's right. So this rope has been tied to the one over there. As you can see, this rock, this rope has been tied and it is going all the way to the bottom of this hillock, and we have a beautiful view of Karapura Dam. My resort is towards the left, adjoining this hill, at the foothills of this Chengri Hills. So it's an easy walk from Mount Xanadu Resort. Okay, so sun has already risen, so I missed the sunrise, but still the views are so mesmerizing. So I'm almost about to reach the top of this Chengri Hills. We have this last but one flag, and one more flag will reach till the end of this trek. And then the next challenge would be to come down from this steep mountain downhill. So I'm finding it slightly difficult because my shoes are not good enough, because these are not even sport shoes, these are walking shoes. So because of that, it keeps coming off my feet. So this is the top. Look at this. It's very windy out here and slightly cold. Would be around 21 degrees Celsius, but comfortable. Oh, this is the last flag from the Chengri hilltop, and look at the beautiful view of the mountain ranges along with the dam and water bodies. This is a very good trek, I think. Easy trek, doable, and the sun rises from the back of this Chengri mountain. So the best time to start this trek should be around 5:30, 6 o'clock, and then enjoy the sunrise. So I will not be fortunate enough to see the sunrise, but I can see the sun already out from behind this hillock, and the area at the top of the hillock is comfortable to walk on because it's almost flat, not exactly flat but somewhat flattish, with ups and downs of this undulating rocks. But the views are really good. Look at the view. I think we have the view of Chembra Peak as well, but I am not able to recognize. I think that peak over there is Chembra Peak. Let me just on that. Okay, you see this peak? That is the Chembra Peak, and then we have other adjoining mountain ranges, and we also have one more peak over there, but I'm not sure what's the name of that peak. Okay, very good trek. I think I reached to the top of this Chengri hill within half an hour. It did not even took me half an hour to reach over here, so it's very easy, I would say, and I'm not even tired. But the views are amazing. Easy trek with very beautiful views of the surrounding mountains. I'll go to the until the end. I think there is one more flag, bigger flag over there. That is the end, I guess. Okay. See how good it looks from here. Look at that. This particular mountain range is looking awesome. I think if it's not sunny, then one can sit and relax and chill out entire day in this area. And the good thing is that it's clean. At least people have not thrown plastic and wrappers, which are normally seen everywhere in all the popular tourist destinations. That makes me feel so bad. At least people have kept this place clean. This is the good thing. This rock this is Changiri Hills. There is a board out here mentioning the name of this hill. As you can see, this is the one, Changiri Hills. Okay, this is at the height of 3,460 feet. So right now I'm at the altitude of 3,460 feet from sea level, and this is the highest point of Changiri Hills. And look at the view from here. Kharapura Dam towards right, and Mount Xanadu at the bottom, and the foothills of this Changiri Hills and the surrounding mountains. And we have the sun coming already out from behind this Changiri Hill, and towards right we have another mountain ranges. What is the name of this mountain? But this has a very okay. Setting is superb. Okay, so I have now come down from the Changiri Hill top. So I took help of this rope while coming down, because it was pretty steep while coming down, and there is high chances that one can topple down if you are not sure-footed and you are not stable. So this rope really helped a lot while coming down from this steep rock. And this particular trek can be pretty treacherous during the rainy season and when it is quite wet over here. As you can see, these rocks are very slippery. So now this is the way to the bottom of this trek, Changiri Hills, and I have to go to take left for Mount Xanadu Resort. Okay, let me go down now. There is a small hut as well, which has been built, I think, to rest and relax and to keep a tab on the people who are trekking. So this is the hut, as you can see. You can come here and then take rest. Wow, and you can see the view from here. This platform is not that stable, but this is the view from this hut. Okay. So it's in a decrepit condition, not well maintained, and the platform looks quite unstable. Let me go down now. अब दोस्तों सूरज पूरी तरह से निकल चुका है और वो जो काज़ापुजा डैम है वो काफ़ी अच्छा दिख रहा है। देखो यहाँ से सूरज की रोशनी से पूरा वायनाड जो है अब जगमगा चुका है और इस वक्त बज रहे होंगे 7:30 AM इन द मॉर्निंग और मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ चेंगरी हिल ट्रैक से नीचे की ओर। बड़ा ही मज़ेदार छोटा आसान सा ट्रैक था, मज़ा आया ट्रैक करके। अब चलते हैं नीचे। तो इस ट्रैक को करने के लिए मैं माउंट ज़ैनडू रिसोर्ट जो कि इस तरफ है कहीं, वहाँ से आया था। देखो यहाँ से बिल्कुल नहीं पता चलता है कि ये रिसोर्ट कहाँ पर है, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पर। और मुझे भी रास्ता ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि माउंट ज़ैनडू रिसोर्ट का रास्ता है कहाँ। इवन कि उस ट्रैक से भी ऊपर से भी वो रिसोर्ट का पता नहीं चल रहा था। यहाँ कहीं जंगलों में पीछे की ओर अंदर है वो रिसोर्ट छुपा हुआ और आई थिंक ये रास्ता है, ढूंढना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है इस वक्त। मैं अकेला आया हूँ इस ट्रैक के लिए। नाउ आई एम लिटिल लॉस्ट बिकॉज मुझे कोई रास्ता दिख नहीं रहा है यहाँ पर। आगे थोड़ा जाना पड़ेगा। हाँ कुछ नज़र तो आया एक रास्ता। ना ये भी नहीं है। वहाँ उस तरफ जाना पड़ेगा मुझे। शायद आगे से एक रास्ता दिख रहा है पीछे की ओर। आई थिंक ये है माउंट ज़ैनडू की बाउंड्री एरिया, बाउंड्री लाइन। यहाँ से ख़त्म होता है रिसोर्ट का एरिया एंड दिस इज़ द वे आई नीड टू फॉलो। ओके तो दिस इज़ द एरिया। यहाँ पर एक बग्गी भी खड़ी है और यहाँ एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड है। और बहुत सारे बैम्बू प्लांटेशंस भी है यहाँ पर बाउंड्री वॉल्स में। तो अब मैं एंटर कर चुका हूँ माउंट ज़ैनडू रिसोर्ट के एरिया में। चलते हैं इस तरफ, थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं इस रिसोर्ट को। तो ये जो डोम्स स्टे है ये ऊपर बने हुए हैं। इस डोम स्टे में भी जाऊंगा। पहले ये देखते हैं, यहाँ पर प्ले एरिया है। यहाँ पर बॉक्सिंग वगैरह के लिए कुछ चीज़ें रखी गई है। So this is the play area I think in the Mount Xanadu Resort. यहाँ पर चेस एंड स्नेक एंड लैडर, साथ में डार्ट्स, कैरम, टेबल टेनिस, इवन की बॉक्सिंग बैग भी रखा हुआ है यहाँ। अगर आपको बॉक्सिंग वगैरह करनी है then you can use these bags. वाह, वेरी नाइस प्लेस। और ऊपर डोम टेंट्स है। लेट मी गो टू द टॉप बिकॉज यहाँ तो नो एंट्री लिखी हुई है। ओके, सो अभी नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं किसी और के साथ जाता हूँ ऊपर। लेकिन बहुत बढ़िया टेंट्स बने हुए हैं। यहाँ पर एक बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट भी है। तो ये है बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट। इवन हैंडबॉल भी यहाँ खेल सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द कोर्ट। बहुत ही बढ़िया बनाया है, सब जगह गार्डन्स वगैरह बने हुए हैं। यू हैव दिस लॉन, सॉफ्ट लॉन ग्रास एवरीवेयर, वेरी वेल मेंटेन्ड आई वुड से। Towards my left is the library area where people can relax and study. So this is a swimming pool area. और यहाँ पर एक जिम भी है। So this is the gym, small gym. They have a snooker and pools over here. So अब दोस्तों मैं आ चुका हूँ वापस अपने रूम में। So this is my hotel room अब चलते थोड़ा रिलैक्स करते हैं.